Man, this crazy. Larry done called a doggone snake. I'm trying to get up here to it. Larry, you got him, bro.
I got his ass, G.
Like he can't move.
He's a
You got Larry, man, keep the shovel on him. I'm trying to get close to him. Keep the shovel on him.
I think I might have crushed your head.
Is it black?
Yeah, black and yellow.
Larry, what is that?
Look on. I'm as close as I can, y'all. But I'm scared.
Me too.
Oh shit, hey y'all, I never tried this before.
Larry, hold on now.
Larry.
Hold on.
Larry.
So,
Larry.
well, he never tried this before. I don't even know what he's gonna try, but we gonna watch it from here.
We going live, everybody. It's gonna twist Larry up.
Hey y'all, I'm finna try some shit I seen on TV. I seen it on TV, man. This shit might work.
Larry, don't die today.
Dang, that's long.
Oh no! It's gonna jump at him. Gotta grab him by the mouth. Ryan, get over here. Gotta grab him by the mouth.
Come on, Larry, you can do it.
Hurry, Tari, get in the car.
Larry look like he got him, y'all. Larry got him, man. Larry got him, man. Hey, turn it to this way so he can see it. Larry got him. Hey, look at Larry. That's my dog. That's my dog.
I'm ready to go out in the wilderness, my nigga.
Come out in the light so they can see
Oh,
you.
you want to see it?
So they can see you and him. What'd you say?
See, I was watching TV. See,
That's a doggone snake, y'all.
you know, people always talk
Look,
about
it ain't that small to be, yeah, we on the south side
I
of
can
01.
handle it now. Okay, baby, check me out.
Make sure you got him, though.
Oh, I got it.
You don't let him go
Oh,
with
I
it.
got him hard. I got a nice pinch on him.
Okay.
See, cause I watched this on TV, G. And you see this?
What's that?
Man, true story that they caught a snake in the hood, my nigga.
In the hood.
You gotta watch out for them snakes in the grass, my nigga.
Literally.
Literally. You gotta watch out for them.
That boy that called him one, y'all. We on the south side of Fort Wayne, though.
Man,
We
this
south side.
Hey, my baby said it's a snake out there. It's a snake in the grass.
It's a snake in the grass.
His ass. I came straight to the grass and then I found his ass.
Uh-oh.
You know what I mean?
Y'all know he had to spit you one. Y'all know he had to spit you
Hey,
one.
look at his eye.
Hold on.
Yeah,
What's up?
that bit.
Hold on, I'm trying to let y'all see him, y'all, but I'm so, see, he talking. Larry gotta tell him, so that means, hold on, Larry about to, something went wrong, y'all.
Getting a better grip.
Where is he dead?
Nah, he ain't dead. He's still flicking.
Y'all, I'm sorry, but I done hurt my knee. So I'm sorry. Larry, go see the sister-in-law like it. They go over there to sister-in-law. Larry, come on, let's go to sister-in-law. Look at sister-in-law. Sister-in-law is gone. Sister-in-law gone. Sister-in-law is gone. Go catch her, Larry. Go get her, bro. Bro, go get her. Go get her, bro. Go get her, bro. I'm gonna get over there in a minute, bro. Man, you a fool. Jay, stay right there, bright over there. Oh, you think I'm playing with this going viral? My nigga done caught the snake. That's why I grabbed the phone. Cause I know my nigga like to advertise. Turn like this way, cause it dark over there, so.
Yeah, it's like right here, Jay.
Yes. I know y'all gotta see this. This nigga done caught the snake. Here, I'm here scared. I ain't mess with no snake for real.
You can't get it.
Hey, let me tell you, I never thought I'd do some shit like this.
What's that? Catch a snake.
A snake? You know, I'm used to dogs and cats.
He
And
done caught a
different little shit
doggone
like
snake.
this.
That's a snake, y'all.
This is
Look at
goddamn-
hold the whole body. Y'all see that?
Throat.
Y'all can feel it throat. My nigga done caught a snake. What you gonna do with it, G?
I'm gonna let him go.
You gonna let him go? Where you gonna let him go
I'm
at?
gonna take him out in the field and let him go.
Let him go.
Yeah, because
You ain't call animal people.
nigga, it's snakes all across. This is a garden snake.
They gone.
These snakes eat mice and shit.
They eat mice.
JJ, come on.
Go to the truck one more time, folks.
These eat mice.
They can come in our house.
One more time,
I'm
Jay.
gonna take it all the way out in the field, and I'm gonna let it go.
Come on, Jay.
Get outdoors.
Who the fuck about to ride around with a goddamn snake in the car?
Put them in the bed.
Bring me the pillowcase. Let me show y'all this other thing I learned on TV. Show you how.
Bring it to him, Tyra.
Zion.
Get the pillowcase. I'm
Man,
gonna put some of them on the ground because I don't want to stress him out too much.
don't stress him out. I don't know what that mean about a snake.
live.
But I know you stress out a nigga be ready to tear off inside.
Yeah,
So it's, hold on. Pointing that way, he's sticking out the tongue and stuff, bro. That don't be. I'm looking at it. That nigga called a snake. This is a doggone snake.
You don't do that. Damn.
Can y'all see that?
How long is that video, G?
I don't know.
Or get out there. Get out.
About 6 minutes.
All right, stop that.
Start another.
Can I touch it?
Yes, y'all knew that.
And he not gonna bite you. See, look, see.
Tell me when he rich, G.
Give me that.
Whoa.